Roads over time fail because of the wear factor and fatigue caused by competed pounding and unload traffic and the heavier loads on the road. Sometimes the shiny spots you see on the road are your material pushing into the subbase underneath, which is your road surface. It's just fatiguing over time. In a normal road formation where it's good, the stones actually sit on top of the road surface and they sit proud of the road with the tar. As time goes on and they fatigue, the road starts to fail and your stones start to push down into your seal, into your existing road. As they push down further and further and further, you haven't got that proud stone above your existing surface. And that's when your weather comes into play and your traffic comes into play. The further and further it's got pushed down, shinier and shinier your bitumen gets, that's when your failures come. Potholes, rutting. This week we've got about 15 patches to do on the Summerland Way between Casino and Kyoble, McDonald's Bridge Road area. We're at the stage where we're mixing the patch up with our Bomac stabiliser. It's about come out in World War II as far as I know, so it's a fair age. It's just like a big rotary hoe. The process is we've got to blend the cement powder in with the existing material on the road and get a uniform mixture of material. And then we level it all out with a grader, get it back to a sort of a level where it should be, and then we add some water to it. And then we run our Bomac stabiliser through it again and we mix it all together. Adding our water, cement, existing road base, we get a uniform, consistent layer of material to work with. So once again we level it out with a grader back to our sort of finished level heights roughly, and then we compact it with a pad foot roller. We give it plenty of passes to make sure that it's all compacted down. The pad foot starts to walk out of the patch, the little dents in the road get smaller and smaller and smaller. That's when you know you've got your compaction. And then we hit on top with a 16-ton smooth drum roller on top of that. We repeatedly run backwards and forwards until it visually looks like it's got good compaction, and then we trim her off with a grader to a finished level. The surface is tightened up pretty well. It's got to allow a couple of hours now for cement to start going off and we're back with the water. Everything should be picking out. Yeah, we'll do about 200 square metres a day, which is what this patch is here, and that's normally a reasonable day's work for us to get it all mixed up, put back down and sealed with a 10mm seal at the end of the day. So between 200 and 300 square metres is what we aim for on a daily basis.